Hi, welcome to TonLife again. Today, let's learn the beginning sounds R and the letter A. A is for apple, A is for ant, A is for axe, and A is for alligator. Say with me, A R apple, A R ant, A R axe, A R alligator. So, let's learn together and have fun.
Ant, ant. Ant, ant. Apple, apple. Apple, apple. Alligator, alligator. Alligator, alligator. Axe, axe. Axe, axe. Ant, apple, alligator, axe. Ant, apple, alligator, axe. Ant, apple, alligator, axe. Ant, apple, alligator, axe.
Thank you so much for your watching. Keep learning and stay smart. Just don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe TonLife. Goodbye from TonLife. See you again soon.